Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. We're just going to go over all of the different 50s that we have in stock. We have a lot more in this, but this is showing you all the different types that we have. We just have most of these all in different colours. We'll start on the very left here, which is a 70s 50, early 70s 50. Red was in a fire station in Japan. Then on to the next one here is a bit more unusual and rare CD50, which is unfortunately sold, but thought it would be good to show you. We then have a circle headlamp, kind of Honda 50 Deluxe, because of the unusual colour that this bike came in, which would have been an additional extra from factory to get it in this kind of bluey purple colour. Then next to it we have a 80s Honda 50 in this really nice bottle green colour, in superb condition, with only 9,000 kilometers on the clock, as you can see around the headlamp. Really nice. Then we do have a square headlamp electric Star 50 in blue, really nice once again, very good condition. And then finally we have our little Cubs, which come in kind of more funky colours. This one is white, really rare colour for it to come in, white and beige, which I find really nice. As you can see, you have your fuel tap underneath and everything, but that's kind of it. So it's little Cubs are kind of from the early 2000s. These ones are the same again, kind of late 90s, early 2000s. This one is a 70s bike, and then early 2000s again, with the CD50 being in the 80s, and then we're going on to the 70s. So we have all of these different bikes, all of them in different colours. The little Cubs we have in red, blue, black, all that. These kind of square headlamp again, green, blue, the original kind of colours from factory. 70s or the 80s bikes, we only have two, both in green, same colour as this, very similar. Then again, the circle headlamps, wide range of variety on kilometres, condition, age and so on. CD50 unfortunately is our only one we had, and then onto the late 70s or early 70s one, we have two of these exactly the same, red, both came from a fire station. So if you are interested in a 50, I think Retro Bikes Dublin is probably the only place where you're going to get this type of selection. Once again, this is only the start of it. We have another 30-40 50s in stock in just varying colours and so on. So if you are interested in a Honda 50, please do get in contact with us and we'll get you the bike that you need.